Hey, this is Joe with O'Neill Ops. We're going to do another demonstration for you today. It's rather windy, so we're using another fuzzy mic on our camera here so that we don't have such noisy wind on us. We're going to be testing a couple different things today. We're going to be using two different hosts, two different suppressors for the 22 long rifle pistol, and we're also going to be using two Glock 34s, one standard, one suppressed, with the SWR Trident 9. And I will show you a little of what we're working with here in just a moment. All right, here we've got the Sig Mosquito with the Gemtech Outback II. Here we've got the Walther P22 with the original Silencer Co Sparrow. And then we're going to compare those with the Glock 34 with the Advantage Arms G17 22 upper. And then after that test is complete, we are going to compare two identical G34s, but we're going to switch over to the G34 with the Lone Wolf barrel and the SWR Trident 9. We're going to be shooting down here. It looks like it's about 35 or 40 yards. Shooting at this target. We're not really shooting for impact here. We're just shooting so we can show you the sound differences. All right, I'll be sure and let you know which host I'm using for each shot. We're gonna do 5 shots with each of the 3 pistols, and then we'll go to the 9mm. Make sure I get our safety glasses on. All right, first we're going with the Sig Mosquito and the Gemtech Outback, 5 shots. Okay, next we have the Walther P22 and the Silencer Co Sparrow. All right, now we've got the Glock 34 with the Advantage Arms 22 kit. All right, just a minute, we'll get everything set up here and we'll do the 9mm test. Once again, we're doing 2 identical Glock 34s. The first series of tests is with 115 grain high velocity ammunition, and we will start unsuppressed. We've got regular high velocity ammo here. Same ammo in this one. All right, now we're going to do the exact same thing, but we are using 147 grain XTPs hand loaded for subsonic level. 3 shots each. unsuppressed. Now with the SWR Trident 9. O'Neill Ops, get your can on.